Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, September the 28th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles in this puzzle page. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, 2 Sudokus, one with 2 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last puzzle is the Killer Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles in this puzzle page. Tomorrow we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Same for this evening. I will do also 4 puzzles. Yeah, otherwise it will be too much for me, all those puzzles. And this one will be number 9348. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's truly a 4 stars puzzle. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes. Alright. 1 4, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 2s and the 3s are a majority. Can I start with a 3? Because we have 3 3s. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. How about the 2s now? 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2, need a 2 there. 2 2, need a 2. Oh, need a 2 here. Well, need 2 there. I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 8 9 9? Hmm. 5 5. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 there. 3 8. Yeah. Need a 5 here. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here or there. You see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the last row should be there. 4. Five 5. Need an 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Need a 5 here or there. Well. 2 there. Well, in this column we need an 8. Here came an 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here came an 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left with 8 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have 7 and 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 2 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with the 6 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Then need a 1, need a 7, need a 9, need a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left with 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 7, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. Come on. 1, 7, 6. 6. 2 numbers left in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes. Damn. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 9 and 4. Come on. Yeah. 7 in the fifth column, 7 in the second column. Oh no, we already have a 7 here. Well, we need a 9 here. 9, 4, 6. 6 there. 9, 6, 4, and then 1. 1. 1, 4. Come on, come on, come on. Taking too long, this one. The 9. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left with 8. Shoot it down. Mark those two boxes early with 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8, shoot it down. And we have a pair here, the 8 and the 9 in this column. The 8 and the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left with 8. The line goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9, 9. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2 to 8. Yeah. There's 7 here. There's 7 there. There's 7 here. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in this middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 1, 4, 6. With all the 2s and all the, nope, need a 2 there, and then need a 2 here. 7 in this row, 7 in that last row, so the row between the only place level 7 should be there. So we need a 7 there, need a 7 here. No, we have all the 6s, no. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there, need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left now in this last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Need a 4 there. And I need a... well, 6, 4. 4 and 5. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. It's missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes and there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Then here also 1 and a 7 are left here. 1, 7 and the 6, need a 6 here. 1 and the 6. 1 and 7 and the 5 here. 1, 7, 5, 2, 4, 9, 249, 249, no. Yeah. 169, 169. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 169. 169, 169, 169, and look, we have 6 and 9 in this column. So no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left the 1 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. No, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. And 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of 4 should be there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we sold again, we sold again. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it sold by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.